Okay, I am going to show you some of my own results, but before I do that, I want to read out this disclaimer to you. So, digital marketing can be highly rewarding. However, my results are not a guarantee of your results. Success in any business requires hard work and motivation. The income that you will see in a moment is not a promise or guarantee of any kind. It's a reflection of my own efforts, knowledge and experience. Now, in this course, I do my best to pass that knowledge and experience on to you, but it is entirely up to you what you do with it. And with that said, let's go over to PayPal. Now, this PayPal account is used almost exclusively for payments from merchants that I am an affiliate for or from affiliate networks. I do have an e-commerce business as well, but I don't use PayPal for that. I use a payment processor called Stripe. For privacy reasons, I have covered up some of the information here, but let's take a look at the last 30 days. And this is the figure here, €37,000, which right now is about $42,000, maybe $43,000, somewhere in that range. Now you can see here that from a year ago it has gone up. It's gone up a lot according to this, but that's not quite accurate because a year ago I was receiving payments from some networks that were paying me directly to my bank account, so it wasn't going via PayPal. But right now, or for this past 6 or 7 months at least, virtually all of my affiliate income has been going through PayPal. So although it has in fact gone up, it hasn't gone up as much as 327%. All right, now I'm not big on showing income proofs, and I can't guarantee that you are going to achieve the same results as me. But I'm showing you this just so that you know that the information in this course is based very much on experience and in-depth knowledge. Now, much more can be achieved than this. I'm not claiming to be making millions every month, and some people do. So my income is my income. I can't guarantee that you will achieve the same as me, but you may even achieve more than me. All right,